prison to me. How I'd love to get out, just so I could be free. Tell you all my tales, but someone is approaching here. I prefer to be alone in my dark pirate coat, but every now and again I drop right out, and then I ask my mates if they want to escape, and they say they do, but not in the same way. Well, maybe I don't understand, but I will do the best I can to help them find a way to see a brighter day. Hey, maybe I take escape a bit too literally, but any way that I can get out, I'll take it with no second thought. Anyways, away for me, cause all my dreams are all I've got. I just want to leave, I just want to be free.